Dear students, in this video, using animation, we shall see how to draw square root 2 on a number line. Assalamu alaikum dear students, in this lecture we shall see how to draw a square root 2 on a number line. So to draw a square root 2, first of all you have to take a graph paper or a graph. Let's make a graph on the screen. On a graph paper, take a coordinate 1 1 at this point where y axis is equal to 1 and the x axis is also equal to 1. So I have take this point 1 1. Let's say this is the point and we can say this is the point P having coordinates 1 1. So the origin definitely cuts at 0 0. So the origin has the coordinates 0 0. We can say that origin is O. Now we have to join the point with the origin. So draw a line from the origin to the point P. After joining origin and the point P, keep remember that the distance between the origin to the point coordinate 1 1 is equal to square root 2. So after drawing square root 2 on a number line, I shall explain this one in detail, why this length is equal to square root 2. Okay, you know that square root 2 is approximately equal to 1.414. So it is in between the numbers, the natural numbers 1 and 2. So if I rotate this line having a distance of square root 2, it will cut in between the natural numbers 1 and 2. Now I am going to rotate this point P across the origin. So you will see it will cut this point. So this point where this point cuts the line is exactly the number square root 2. So that is the method you can draw square root 2 on a number line. Now I am going to erase all this and would like to explain why the distance between the origin and the point P is square root 2. Again I am writing that the origin is 0 0 and the point P is having coordinates 1 1. So we have to apply the distance formula between OP. The distance between the points O and P is equal to, before applying the distance formula, just remind how to find the distance between 2 points. So for example, the point A has a coordinates x1, y1 and the point B has coordinates x2, y2. So the distance between the point A and B can be calculated using the distance formula, which is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So I am applying this formula in between the point P and O. So the distance will become x2 is 1 and x1 is 0. 1 minus 0 whole square plus again y2 is 1 and x2 is 0. So 1 minus 0 whole square. Simplifying this, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 square and 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 square. Square of 1 is always equal to 1. So we have 1 plus 1 in the square root, which is equal to square root 2. Hence prove that the distance between the origin and the point P is square root 2, and it is behaving like radius of a circle. I am rotating the circle across the origin, and this line is the radius of this circle. So this line being the radius of the circle will cut the number line exactly at a point which has a distance of square root 2. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.